Hi, Dr. Mace. Dr. Mace is also in now. She's one of the PRB members of the board member. And then I also want to acknowledge Ma'am Yvonne is here. Siya po yung kindergarten teacher at marami po talaga siyang um, experience sa paggamit ng pen frames. Kaya we have to hear from her as well. Pero baka maubusan tayo ng oras kasi alam ko, kailangan niyo bumalik sa inyong seminar. Kaya pwede ba na si Ma'am Inday, si Dr. Mace, at si Ma'am Yvonne, sumama na lang po kayo sa conversation and then introduce yourself. Okay po ba yan? Magsimula na po si Ma'am Mylene ng presentation. Okay po ba yan? Tapos, introduce yourself when you join the conversation later. Okay, Ma'am Yvonne? Dumagdag ka po sa dulo ni Ma'am. Ay, nawala siya ulit. Okay.
Ma'am Weng?
If somebody po.
Ay, may seminar po ako ngayon sa Jensen, ma'am. Pupunta na po kami ng venue for our breakfast. Can I enter again mamaya, ma'am?
Isang oras lang po tayo, ma'am. Mabilis lang. So,
nawawala na po.
Nawawala yung signal kasi nagbabiyahe ka?
Opo, ma'am.
O sige. Ma'am Yvonne. Si Ma'am Yvonne, ano?
Ay, Ma'am Lot, ma'am. Ma'am Lot.
Ay, si Ma'am Lot. Ma'am Lot.
I'm here in Jensen, ma'am.
Okay. This is being recorded, pero after 1 hour, we will do some 10 minute po description of the MTV para po yung mga mag-enroll ay makapag-commit na. Kasi kailangan ko rin po yung commitment nyo doon. So, yes po, tingnan mo kung anong maabutan mo kung bumalik ka, Ma'am Lot.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sige, Ma'am. Safe trip.
Opo.
Oo. Okay, so, umpisa na po tayo. Nawala uli si Ma'am Yvonne. Okay, we'll do more introduction later. Okay, Dr. Mace. Okay po. All right, Sir Mitch, aren't you introducing Ma'am Eileen?
No, would you do it, Weng? Ma'am Eileen, can you tell us?
We're breaking up. What's going on with our sound system?
I think it's your internet connection, Ma'am Weng.
You want me to introduce Ma'am Mai?
Yes, please.
Okay. Actually, Ma'am Inday might want to do that.
Okay.
Ma'am Inday. Okay, Ma'am Inday, ikaw po mag-introduce kay Ma'am Eileen.
Hello everyone. Good morning.
Short lang po, ma'am.
Okay.
2 minutes.
I have the honor to introduce to you Doc Mylene Cerizo, our the designated PRB coordinator in Malinao Central Elementary School, Banisila North District. To introduce or to share to you the
workshops we did.
The workshops that we did in Malinao Central together with Ma'am Weng. So everyone, please give her a round of applause, please.
Okay. Okay, go for it, Mamay. Hi, Ma'am Zor. Balik ka na lang mamaya ulit sa introduction. Okay, Mamay. Nawala yata siya. Ayan, okay. Mute, Mamay. Okay, while waiting for my Ma'am Zor, you want to introduce yourself? Oh, you did already, didn't you?
Yes.
Dr. Mace, you want to introduce yourself? Mute ka, ma'am.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mary Chris Mays. I'm Associate Professor of Chemistry at University of Massachusetts, Dartmouth. But from Philippines, from Iligan City, and then I graduated sa MSU IIT. So yun. Tapos I've been with PRB for a while already. So yeah, I think we can
5 years.
5 years na ba dahil sa COVID? Yeah.
Di ba? Nag-una tayo
Oh
nagkuha
yeah,
ng
COVID yun, yes.
sa
When we took the class.
Project Zero.
Project Zero.
The Maker-Centered Learning.
Right.
Then we met at the Boston Public Library, remember?
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah.
All
Okay.
right, Ma'am
I'm
Mylene.
hoping. Ma'am Eileen, ikaw na. Bago mawala ka ulit. Ay, ano ba yan? Mamay. Dalawa yung ano niya.
Ma'am, sorry po, nawala po yung sounds ng laptop ko po, kaya gamitin ko na lang itong cellphone ko para marinig ko po kung
Sige.
ano yung pinag-uusap.
Sige, ma'am. Okay ka na po? Ikaw na po magpipresent. Okay, magdagdag lang ako ng information about the workshops. We also included customized literacy, but it's focused on writing kwento na may kwenta. Stories that included a math word problem. Dapat pala, ma'am, binigay natin yung video kay Sir Mitch. Okay na.
Okay. Ayaw mo na, Ma'am Mylene.
Ma'am Eileen, mute ka po. Hindi ka po namin naririnig. Gusto mo i-forward yung screen? Yung video
Okay na
kay...
po ba, ma'am?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay na ba, ma'am? Okay na po.
Naririnig ka na namin ngayon. Ngayon lang.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay po, ma'am. So, my courtesy and respect to this PRB director, Sir Mids and Ma'am Wing, to my principal, Ma'am Sheila Valeroso, to my fellow teachers, and to all the educators who are here today. Good morning. In behalf of our principal, Ma'am Sheila Valeroso, it is my honor and proud to present to you the MCES, or the Malinaw Central Elementary School, Banisilan, Cotabato School Initiated Intervention, specifically our celebration of learning. So before our culminating activity, Ma'am Rowena personally handled classes in 21 classrooms for one period within 7 days. She taught the Singapore math and customized literacy. So during this time, we also held plenary sessions every 12 to 1 p.m. On the 8th day, we conducted demonstration teaching of the selected teachers, Sir Duran, Ma'am Shena, Ma'am Ara, and Ma'am Marilisith, Ma'am Yvonne, and Ma'am Jima. No, on the 9th day, we conducted celebration of learning and we catered 601 learners. Ma'am, nawala po yung ano ko. Ano ba yan?
You're good, ma'am. Pero yung page mo hindi
Okay lang
nag-download.
po yung PowerPoint ko, ma'am. Nawala kasi yung laptop ko. Na-off yung
Hindi
laptop ko
maanda.
po. Hala. Ang PowerPoint ko, ma'am, nakikita niyo po ba, ma'am?
Nakikita lang namin yung first page, ma'am. Were you,
Dali po. Parang hindi po nag-on kasi yun, ma'am. Lobat kasi ako, tapos nag-search ako.
Ma'am Mai, why don't you just send your PowerPoint to Sir Mitch?
Yes po, ma'am. Okay po.
Nako, dapat pala
Pero
ginawa.
na-off pa po yung laptop ko, ma'am. Nag-on pa po ako ulit ng laptop, ma'am.
But,
Na-drain po.
relax ka lang, ma'am. Okay lang po yan. Pero, yun. Dapat pala tinry natin, ano, ang tagal natin nag-antay kanina.
Sige
Kung
po, ma'am.
ibigay
I
yung
will
PowerPoint mo
send
kay Sir
it.
Mitch para hindi ka na po ma-delay.
Yes po, ma'am. I will po. Pero ka-on ko lang po kasi nag-ano pa po ako, ma'am, ng laptop. Nag-on pa po. Sandali.
So, mag-aantay pa po yan mag-charge, ma'am.
Okay na po siya, ma'am. Na-on na po.
Okay. Hindi pa po namin nakikita yung screen.
I-send ko na lang po kay Sir Mitz.
Make up your mind, ma'am. Naglo-load pa po, nagcha-charge pa po yung laptop mo.
Okay na. Kanina siguro, ma'am, yung ano po, yung outlet doon, baka hindi po nakipag-cooperate kasi.
Okay,
Dito
ma'am.
po kasi ganun sa ano.
Tuloy na po natin basta.
I-send ko na lang po, ma'am. Sandali lang po.
Okay, ma'am. Whatever you decide, just do it na lang po.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, Sir Mitch, nakikita mo na po yung sinan niya.
Di ko makita. Asa mo?
Wala pa po, sir. Sending pa po, sir. Ay, naku.
Okay. Meron ding labas-masok ba sa ano ba yon connection?
Siguro po, ma'am, yun kasi ang hirap po kasi ng
Mm-mm.
signal dito. Si Ma'am Yvonne po daw, ma'am, nawawala yung signal niya.
Oo, ma'am, pero ma'am, nauubos po yung oras natin. Sayang. Bago ka po tuluyang mawala. Okay na po. Pumupunta na po kay Sir Mitch yung data.
Sending pa po, ma'am, sandali.
Okay, what can we do to fill up this space? Meron bang may mga tanong? Dr. Mace, meron ka bang tanong? Kasi na mismo yung unang, yung bahagi ng inintroduce namin kung ano yung nangyari sa workshop. Sinabi niya sa iyo yung outline. So, I went to every classroom. Ini-introduce yung 10 frames, tsaka yung digit cards, how to use that to assess the students' understanding of the number system, basically how we always just create groups of tens, and the children need to be able to compare values and determine what digit is in the hundreds place, thousands, ones. Very basic. It's really to see their level of number sense. Yon. Tapos, yung mga teachers, nag-demo rin sila. Natutunan nila yung... Nag-demo yung... At pinakita nila kung paano nila ginagamit yung 10 frames at saka yung assessment ng number sense at number system. And then we did stories nga. We got grades 4, 5, 6 to write books or storybooks with computations, yung kwento na may kwenta. Para yung mga bata ay masanay sa structure ng word problems, very basic word problems. Ginagamit ang sarili nilang karanasan sa school. A quick example yung binigyan ako ni nanay ng 50. Bumili ako ng 2 siomai at bumili rin ako ng saging. Yung 3 na yon ay tig sa 10. Magkano ang sukli sa akin? So, ganun kasimple. But the children share these storybooks and solve the problems in each of these more than 100 storybooks created. Okay? Mamay?
Ma'am Wing, parang okay na po itong laptop ko, Ma'am Wing. Nag-off na po ako sa cellphone ko. Mag-share na po
Pero
ako.
pinapadala mo kay Sir Mitch, di ba? Ituloy mo na lang yun, ma'am.
Hindi
Sige
siya
lang, ma'am.
ma'am, kasi malaki daw po yung
File.
Hindi po siya
Okay.
masend sa messenger po.
Okay.
Sige.
Okay, ma'am. Sige na po. Maubos na yung oras natin.
Sige na.
Kikita niyo na po ba, ma'am?
Oo.
Presentation.
Yes, ma'am. Keep going. Pag hindi namin makita, i-contact ka namin. Okay po.
Okay po. So, ayan na po. So on the 9th day, we conducted celebration of learning and we catered 601 learners in just one day. To accomplish this, we divided them into 4 groups. So this is our celebration of learning. So in the case stage 1, we are allowed to freely explore, after which the teacher facilitated learning by asking questions. Ano ba yung sample? Ano ba yung nakita nyo? Yan. Tapos, ano bang masasabi nyo? So, we have here also the video.
Walang sound yung video, ma'am?
Yes. And yun po yung mga halimbawa ng mga questions na ibinigay po ng mga teachers sa mga bata po. Then, on this station 2, the activity focused on the strengthening learners' number sense through the use of B610 frames and interactive games. So, the learners were first guided by the teacher by asking the questions, ano ba ang nakikita mo dyan? And then encouraging them to arrange the 10 frames from least to greatest and greatest to least. Bakit mo nasasabi na mas malaki yan? O ano ba ang susunod dyan? No, sa 1, ano bang susunod sa 1 na yan? Okay? And after that 1, followed by the next number na po. Then, on the station 3, case stage 1, the lesson emphasized higher order thinking skills using 10 frames to build learners' number sense. So the teacher guided the activity with probing questions such as, kung ito ay 10, saan ang 9? Paano mo alam na 9 yan? To encourage reasoning and a deeper understanding of numbers. So learners practice sabitizing, recognizing quantities without counting by identifying numbers such as 5, 10, 9, 6, and through visual patterns only. So, these are the examples of
Mamay, hindi po namin naririnig yung Wala pong sound yung PowerPoint or
Oh,
video.
At hindi ko
um,
narinig yung
Hindi namin naririnig yung mga bata. Sayang eh, we want to hear what they're saying.
hala, hindi ko marinig, Ma'am Wing.
oh, Mylene, when you're sharing, there are two buttons to share sound. Also, I don't know if you check those buttons when you shared your screen.
Yes po, sir. Sir Mitz, can I ask your ano na lang po, Gmail? I will send it into your Gmail na lang po.
Sure. It's MBF Ipswich 88. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll just put it in the chat, Mylene.
Yes po, sir.
I'll write it in the chat. It's
Yes po, sir.
easier.
Teachers, yung mag-e-enroll po ng MTV, yung batch na susunod, ito na po yung isa sa ating requirements na pagkatapos po natin mag-take ng MTV course, na tayo po ay mag-a-apply ng natutunan natin doon po sa MTV, sa MTV course. Mangyayari po yun January to February of 2026. And then, kagaya po ng ginagawa ni Ma'am Mylene, sana po ibabahagi nyo kung ano yung mga ginawa nyo sa inyong sariling classroom pagkatapos po nating mag-take ng course, no? So, wag po kayong nervyusin. Basta, lagi pong problema yung technical issues. So, madalas, sinasabi namin, ibigay nyo yung inyong video or whatever presentation kay Sir Mitch before the day itself. Mas madali po yun. Okay, may tanong po ba?
So yung ano ba, yung MTV program open na siya for application?
Oo, enrollment mag-uumpisa na next month eh. Kaya kailangan mag-apply na ng scholarship. Oo. Meron silang bagong matrix, yung mag-enroll ka sa certification program na. 3 courses, kasama na yung Building a Critical Community of Thinkers. Ano ba yon, Sir Mitch? Critical Thinking Community. Ayun yung isa.
A community of learners.
Hindi. Yung critical thinking, thinking community. Yung course, remember?
Mm-hmm.
Ano nangyari kay Mamay? Mamay, nasan ka na po?
Nasend ko na po kay Sir Mitz, Ma'am Wing.
Ayan, Sir Mitch.
Dili
Andiyan na
pa.
daw. Hindi pa.
Dili ko kita.
Okay. Let me look for that. The certification. It's now a full-blown certification program. And itatry muna natin sa isang tao. Kasi pareho lang yung bayad. So,
Pareho lang ang bayad sa isa versus yung parang group of courses
certification,
or
oo,
sa
pareho lang.
certification.
Oo, pareho lang. And then if you have taken one of them as a full semester course online, then you're allowed to not take that anymore. But I think none of us have taken the full semester version of Making Thinking Visible. Yung kinuha natin is maker-centered learning. Diba? Yun yung full semester natin kinuha, di ba?
Yeah,
February to June?
yeah.
Yeah, 45 PDP hours, I think. Okay. Sir Mitch, let me know as soon as you got it opened, okay?
Okay, sige.
Okay na?
Okay na. Share na ko.
Alright. Okay, good. Oh, ayan. Sir Mitch can show it and then Mamay, you can just give the background info kung wala dun sa video.
Oh, sige, nakita ka?
Yes po, sir.
Oh, sige.
Thank you, Sir Mitz.
Slide number, unsang slide nimo?
Sa baba na po, sir, yung K-Stage 1, Station 3. Parang
Yung may
slide
salitang bata na?
7, ma'am. Ay, sir? Slide 7.
Slide 7. Sige.
Yan po, sir.
Man dapat nagilkoan lang ka isa.
So, pila siya?
9.
Enter po, sir.
Sige.
Video rin po, sir.
Kuwan man ni 5 kuwan ang sa dalom ay 3.
So, pila siya?
8.
Next po, sir. Okay. So, yun po siya yung activity namin para sa K-Stage. Ayan. Pwede po pakiback, sir, parang na ano.
Oh. Station,
Station 1 po kami, K-Stage 1 po, sir.
Stage
Ay,
1?
K-Stage 2.
Oh, stage,
K-Stage 2, Station 1. Station 1. Yeah. Taas pa po, sir.
dinhi?
Back pa po, sir. Station 1 po, sir.
Dinhi?
Taas pa po.
Oh,
Taas po, sir. Sa taas pa po.
oh, sa taas.
Opo, sir. Sa ano po, sir? K-Stage 1 po kami. K-Stage 2, Station 1 po, sir. Sa isa pa po. Ayan po, sir. Thank you po, sir. So, K-Stage 2, Station 1, the learners participated in a literacy and comprehension activity using the storybooks. Magkwintahan tayo. So, each pupil read the story aloud with a body to practice reading fluency and collaboration. So, afterwards, they wrote the author's name, copy the 5 sentences of the story in their notebook, then answer the questions. To conclude, learners tore out the page and dropped their work into the raffled box placed under the table, Station 1. So the activity effectively combined reading, writing, and comprehension with an engaging element of fun and excitement through the raffle system. Next slide po, sir. So for the K-Stage 2, Station 2, the learners engage in a mathematical activity using digit cards to strengthen their understanding of place value, comparing, estimating, and rounding. Working with digit cards from 0 to 9, pupils solve numbers building problems that required logical reasoning and application of place value concepts. Example, form the greatest 3-digit numbers that is even, or use the digit 9, 5, 9, and 3 to build the smallest digit even number. Ganun po, sir. The activity allowed learners to practice constructing numbers based on the specific conditions, reinforcing critical thinking or critical skills in number sense and problem solving. So it also promotes active engagement, accuracy, and writing numbers, and application of mathematical concepts in an enjoyable, hands-on manner. The next slide po, sir.
Yeah.
So in case stage 2, station 3, they participated in a hands-on activity using place value blocks to depends their understanding of numbers and their values. So they were grouped into 3 teams, each provided with sets of blocks presenting hundreds, tens, and ones. Working collaboratively, the groups built different numbers using the blocks, allowing them to visualize how digits represent value depending on their place. Then next slide, sir, please. Next
Ito.
slide po, sir.
Next slide.
Yes po, sir. Stage 4, yan po kay multiplication. This example of multiplication. Yan po ang ginawa ng mga bata sa station 4.
Diyan, nag-30 ka. 24, anak. Tingin ka nagsubay. Irisa ang 6 mo. Irisa ang 6, sa kabot ka sa 6. Tama lang, 24. Sige.
Voice po yun ni Ma'am Lot. Siya po ang teacher.
Okay, palakpakan si Iolohiyo.
So, yun po yung halimbawa ng multiplication po para sa station 4. Next slide po, sir. Yan po. So, case stage 2, station 5, the learners took part in the interactive activity called Strips of Stories, Solve the Problem. So, in this task, the story problems were presented on strips of paper, which the learners read, analyze, and solve. So the activity encouraged them to apply critical thinking and problem-solving skills while connecting mathematical concepts to real-life situations. So, next slide po, sir. Parang may video pa ako dito. Video po. part, yung mga bata po ay binabasa nila yung mga scripts one by one. So, mag-group sila, then answer the problem solving.
Araw, bumili ako ng snacks na halagang 12 pesos. Noong Lunes, binigayan ako ni nanay ng 25 pesos. Itinatabi ko lagi ang sobra sa saving ko. Magkano ang savings ko mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes?
Okay. For the K-Stage 2, Station 6 and 7, the learners were grouped with 10 kids per table to take an assessment designed to measure their understanding of the lesson. So the group setup provided an organized and manageable way to administer the activity while ensuring that each learner had the opportunity to work. So individually within their group, the assessments allowed the teacher to gauge a learner's progress, identify areas of strength, and determine concepts that may require further reinforcement. Next po, sir.
So, ilang araw na ang nagdaan para nakaipon siya ng 45 pesos?
Okay. For the Station 8, learners participated in a literacy and numeracy integration activity using the storybooks. Magkwentahan tayo. So each pupil read the story aloud with the body to enhance reading fluency, comprehension, and collaborative learning. So after the reading session, they answered the word problem, applying mathematical concepts within the context of the story. So next slide po, sir. Then for the Station 9, so they participated in the puzzles activity. Which number am I? What number am I? Then designed to enhance their problem solving and critical thinking skills in mathematics. So clues were provided and pupils used logical reasoning and knowledge of number concepts to identify the correct number. Yun po, sir. Halimbawa, I am on the activity encourage, active participation. Yun po, sir. Nagtutulungan po sila na hanapin yung number doon sa gilid na nakabitay po sa sa hall. Then for the K-Stage 10, next slide po, sir. Yan, the K-Stage 2, Station 10. So the learners took part in a mathematical scavenger's hunt that aimed to strengthen their skills in identifying number properties. During the activity, pupils searched for a listed 10 prime numbers for multiples of 4 and 5 numbers divisible by 5. Then the tasks encouraged the active engagement, collaboration, and critical thinking as learners applied their knowledge of divisibility factors and multiples in a fun and interactive way. So, yun po ang aming celebration of learning. And I want also to share that there were 5 pupils winners in our storybook writings. So, next slide po, sir. So, this is Luis Gabriel. Isa lang po siya na winner na present ko po dito. Pero 5 po yan sila na nanalo po. Next pa po, sir, please. Po, sir.
Sinulat niya ito sa pag-iskin. Binigyan ako ni nanay ng 500 pesos. Nakadaan ako sa pharmacy. Isipan ko bumili ng gamot sa sakit siya dahil may sakit si nanay. Ang gamot ay may halagang 10 pesos. Bumili rin ako ng ulam sa amin. Ang subo ay may halagang 60 pesos. Ilan na lang natira sa binigay ni nanay ng 500 pesos.
So, yun po yung isang winner namin. Meron din po akong ito po ay parang napili ko pero sabi ni Ma'am Weng, hindi po. Iwan ko po sa kanya. Siya pang mag-explain.
Ma'am, aray, hindi naman ganun.
Ay, yes po, sir.
Sa mall. Noong Sabado, pumunta kami sa mall. May nakita at nagustuhan akong sapatos. Ang halaga ng sapatos na gusto ko ay 3,000 pesos. Ang pera ko ay 2,200 pesos. Magkano ang kailangan ko para mabili ang sapatos?
Oh.
Yan po. Parang nagustuhan ko po siya, Sir Mitz, pero sabi po ni Ma'am Rowena, Ma'am Weng,
Mamay, nag-agree. Gusto ko lang pong naman, gusto ko makita